Okay, the problem we had was the three lights here all lit up red and the on-off button wasn't working. So basically, obviously took all the panels off. That information's online, it's just a few screws. Bit of a process, back panel off first, really take that out because the side panels have like little locating lugs. You just slide them backwards, but with the tank in. That one's a bit tricky on that side. The other one just slides off. Undo a couple of screws on the side here. Take the top lid off and then the front panel comes out. So that back of the front panel, the PCB board for all the switches, originally that's covered in like a thick rubber glue kind of thing. And I think ours had got moisture in it. And so I took that rubber off, cleaned the back of that board with alcohol. That made the buttons work again, and then fired it up. And what happened on the steamer, right in the corner, there's a little tiny pinhole. So it was leaking, and I figured it was leaking out of the O-ring for the steamer or something along there. There was a bit of like water scale around here and stuff. So if we press it for a coffee, hopefully be able to see some. See that little jet of water coming out? So obviously that would normally, let's just dribbled a bit out in there, that would obviously normally be spraying over the back of this panel, and that's what caused the condensation on that board. So for us, that now needs a new steamer assembly, but yours would probably be the same, I imagine. If it's getting water in the back there, that's probably, it's either coming out of a little hose there, or like same on ours, just a little tiny pinhole is enough to send that little jet of water out and cause the problems. Hope that helps someone. Cheers.